Humble yourselves, therefore, under the mighty hand of God, so that at the proper time he may exalt you. 1 Peter 5, verse 6. This verse emphasizes the importance of humility and trusting in God's timing. It calls for believers to submit to God's authority and will, recognizing his power and sovereignty rather than relying on their own strength or wisdom. This humility, according to the verse, will be rewarded by God's exaltation in due time. It suggests that true exaltation comes through submitting to God rather than through pride or self-reliance. Be blessed, my friends, and have a wonderful day.